Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're on a move out cleaning here for carpet. You get with us, we guarantee you will get your carpet, your deposit back as long as there aren't any burn holes or red stains. We do cater to red stains, but there is an additional charge. As you can see here, we're using our encapsulation process. We have our sprayer here. Our other sprayer is charging right now. We do have an electronic one, which is great. We're using a pad here, which is a hog hair pad. Does great on agitation. Please excuse the way the equipment looks here. This is actually our backup one. The other one cut out yesterday, electrical problem. So that's our backup here. But hey, you know, just like you say, you don't judge a book by its cover, okay? Results are going to completely be the same. As you can see, these carpets are not that bad at all. The client actually already went ahead and vacuumed. That's a wet spot there. The most heavy traffic area would be right here, of course, and then at the front door. You can see some light discolor here, but that's just basically, you know, just from walking on the carpet, placement of carpets and different things like that, or rugs, I should say. Well, something right here that was there. We're going to go ahead and get that up and bring it back. As you see, encapsulation. So what this solution does, we put down a solution, sprays down, it disintegrates, or emulsifies the dirt there, and it gets absorbed inside the pad, okay? You're like, well, why aren't you using any steam? Well, as you know, we're in 2023, rolling on 20. Steam came out back in the late 60s. Michael Palmer created a homemade truck mount, all right? He was a jet engine trainer, mechanic or whatever, training as a jet engine mechanic, okay? And 69, all right? Come on. We're past that now, all right? Way past that. Just like, you know, now we have SpaceX, which is a military branch that fights wars in space. We can fight wars on your carpet too now, okay? If we can fight them in space, we can fight these stains and wars on your carpet. So, long story short, we're gonna go ahead and show you our process here. He actually already sprayed the solution and he actually just got started. So I'm gonna give you an idea of what we're doing. And I mean, you just look at the difference here of the carpet, all right? So it's already been vacuumed, great. Normally pre-vacuum, and then after finish, we're gonna post-vacuum. All right, post meaning after when we're complete. And I mean, you can see a lot of our other videos. We get this stuff up, all right? No jokes, no games, nothing played here. And it dries in 1 hour, okay? Now you're like, well, where's all the dirt go? How are you getting it in? I need water. We do use water, okay? Well, like I said, the solutions that we use, which our solutions are pet and kid safe. And if you want to purchase those, let me know, reach out. We can give you some stuff too. And it just works great. All right, we've been doing this. I started out with hot water extraction. Check out my old videos. All right, my very number one YouTube videos, okay? We use steam. We did all that. But this is the best process that works, okay? We do Fortune 500 hotels, a lot of companies and offices. They're doing this in their business. And we have a commercial I can show you too that explains the process. So if they're doing it, you can get this done too in your home. And I guarantee you'll love the process, okay? Deodorized, everything's all done in one process. You know, that's the main thing, okay? And some are like, well, what are you using, okay? Well, we actually use a mix of chemicals from 3 different companies sometimes. Normally 2, but sometimes I do 3, okay? Depending on how bad the carpet is, okay? I've been doing this for a very long time. He's getting in the closet right now. All right, we get every area, all right? That's why I use our little 17-inch buffer here, okay? And that works great. So stay tuned. We'll show you how the carpets are going to turn out once we get to the living room here, because, I mean, there's no stains on the other one. You can't really see it, but it is getting clean, sanitized, and disinfected. And so we'll show you this here when we get to this part. All right, so you see the difference here in the color of the carpet here. From here to there, we still got to get that darkened area. I mean, it just looks great. That's just obviously it's not going to look like that. It's going to look like this here. All vacuumed with your lines in there. We're looking good. All right, we want to refill here and get to it. Stay tuned. And turn the lights on. As we go. see that was that dark area. I'm gonna help him out here. You can see it's coming right on up. There's a line there, so we're blending that in. Actually, I'll get this a little bit more moist, so we're gonna hit this a second time. It's all about the solution. If it's dry, it's not cleaning. If it's wet, well, going dry there. Get a little bit more moist here. Just in this darkened area, trying to brighten this up here. A little bit more solution than more. Now, our solution also crystallizes. What that means is once you're finished, you continue to vacuum. Once we're finished and it dries, we're going to continue to get more and more dirt up as you continue vacuuming your home, okay? So that's the good part about our stuff that we use. There's not going to be a residue, safe for kids, safe for pets. I'm going to get my stuff out here, get to the next unit, and then I'll show you to the next unit. We'll be clean professionals. As you see, we're on another move out cleaning here. If you watched our previous video, we were just in this unit here, still finishing that one up. Hopped over to this one. If you're a property manager, realtor, investor, whatever, we can handle all your cleaning needs. As you can see, we clean this property here, and it looks great, top to bottom. We do everything. The bathrooms, vanity, everything. Top, dusting. Okay, we get all that stuff for you inside of here. We even do the washer and dryer. Okay, washer, dryer, inside and out. Okay, open this up, clean this out, get all that good stuff out of there. All right, we get that all. But right now we're focusing on the carpets here. We got a 2-carpet bedroom unit here. Looks great. Those indentations, you cannot get those out. So keep in mind that here. All right, and as you can see, the last tenant did a great job vacuuming before we got here. So no need to vacuum for us. I'll open up his doors. Oh, look at that. It's great. All right, we got our buffer. We'll get inside all these closets here. Also, just bouncing back to what we're cleaning here. We clean windows and window sills. We actually lift up the window, clean the seal out there as well.
So this deal, I'll just these two.
Yep, just these two. Thank you. I'm just gonna video this room here real quick. As you can see, no really major stains. If you're looking to get your deposit back, you can get that back with us. As long as you don't have any burn holes in your carpet, we guarantee you'll get your deposit back. We got some traffic area right here. We're going to pull that up, blend it all in, get it all cleaned. Our person's over here doing that one now. And I want to go back to the other unit, finish the vacuuming. We post-vacuum on every one, and also pre-vacuum or post-vacuuming. We're doing an end cap cleaning, so you're like, oh man, you got the sprayer. We actually use electronic sprayers, but our sprayer actually died. Forgot to charge it last night. But bouncing into the end capping process here, pretty much we lay down the solution, spray it down. We'll use a buffer with a hog hair brush to go ahead and get that cleaned up. And then we'll go ahead and go over the carpets. As you can see, this one looks great. I started vacuuming over here. Okay. And just to give you an idea, all right, we're in 2023 going on 24. All right, 2024 is going to be the next 2 weeks. And, 1969, all right. This guy from Hydro Master, you know, he created his first truck mount machine, okay? That's in 1969. We're in 2022, okay? 2022. I'm sorry, 2023, going in 24. I'm a whole year behind, but we're going in 24, all right? Now we got SpaceX. That came out a couple years ago. If you don't know what SpaceX is, that's a military branch inside space. So we can fight the war in space. We can fight this war right here on your carpets, on your stains, not using any steam, okay? Steam, we have a commercial that explains that process. It's not that good for your carpets. You ever see your carpet wrinkling up or it smells after it gets clean? Those wrinkles are because the steam's heating all that plastic up underneath it on the inside and loosening up those fibers. This doesn't do that. And it dries in 1 hour, okay? So like you see, I got this room done here. This room's already completed. All right, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna get back to vacuuming. I'm gonna clean up some of these walls over here and stay tuned. Back in this unit and we got a vacuum, all right. You actually already did the scrubbing, I apologize, I missed that part. And it just looks great. The work just speaks for itself. As you can see, we got a lot of these darkened areas. Looks a little bit darker in the video. That's the reason why, because the camera quality. Our cameras are a lot, they're more, a lot detailed, higher pixelation. So you're able to see some stuff, but in a natural light or a natural eye, you can't see this. Same thing with your 4K TVs. I mean, the human brain can't, compute that or see that. But that's just another story here. We're talking about carpet today, not technology. So as you can see, these carpets are looking good. All right. We got them all taken care of. Looks like you got inside the closet too. So we got that area. And we're heading out. These carpets will dry in 1 hour. Like I said, keep in mind here, Carlisle manager, real estate investor, okay? We can bring some carpets back to life, all right? We got a lot of videos of carpets that are way worse than this, okay? And we use the same process with this hog hair. And I mean, this is just the new way, all right? Things change. I know people are afraid of change, but just like your phones, okay? You started with the Nokia phone, all right? Just playing Snake. Then you got your Razor flip phone. That was the next big thing. And now we got iPhones with no buttons at all. All right, they don't flip or anything. So that's how good technology is changing. Just in the cleaning industry, it changes too. So you got to go ahead and adapt to that change. So if you like what you see, give us a like on Facebook or YouTube. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. That helps us out. And also put in the comments what you'd like to see. That way we can become better and more efficient for you as well. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professional. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.